welcome to my channel. It is Miss Tay Rosé. This makeup look was requested by a lot of you via Snapchat. This was the makeup look that I wore way in November when I was dining out with my siblings. I achieved this makeup look using the Profusion Mirage palette. So if you'd like to see the process as to how I got this look, make sure you keep watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that way you can see more of me. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that way you are on the alert as to when a video for myself is out. That is all I have for now. Make sure you check out my previous video in the next section that is coming up. I will see you there. Bye.